Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Purslane. Purslane is rich in several important nutrients including omega-3 fatty acids. Purslane contains alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acids that is beneficial for heart health and inflammation reduction. Antioxidants. It's a good source of vitamin A, C and E, which are antioxidants that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Minerals. Parsley provides minerals like magnesium, potassium, calcium, and iron, which are essential for various bodily functions, including nerve transmission, muscle contraction, and bone health. Vitamin B complex. It contains several B vitamins such as riboflavin, niacin, pyridoxine, and folate, which are important for energy production and overall well being. Dietary fiber. Parslane is a good source of dietary fiber which supports digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Beta carotene. This precursor to vitamin A found in parslane supports eye health and immune function. If you like the above video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy, stay happy. Until next time, thanks for watching.